Hello everyone. Today we learn about name of the paper Classical and Quantum Mechanics. Chapter Origin of Quantum Theory. Today we discuss about black body radiations. The only object when light is coming from either object to our like a candle. When the light coming from the candle hits the eye, then we see the candle or the light is hitting an object and coming back to our eyes. In both conditions, the object is visible to us only when the light come back in our eyes. If the light does not come back to the eye after, that object invisible or black to us. Black is not a color, but black appears in the absence of light. This means that any object which is black does not transmit any kind of radiation. So what is the black body radiation? In this video we learn about black body radiation. At the same time we will also understand how it goes to introduce a new, which we call quantum mechanics. So let's start the video. Quantum mechanics of black body radiations. Black body radiations. The black body whenever radiation hits an object, three types of physical phenomena can be: either the radiation hits the body and reflected back or transmitted through the body, or absorbed in the body itself. Here we will focus only on reflection and absorption of the radiation, some of which can be identified their color, such as the visible, which has some, while there is no color in some wavelength. For example, infrared, X-ray, gamma ray, radio wave, etc. Now any object emits radiation only when the temperature of the object is higher than its surrounding, like a candle. When we light up a candle, it has a higher temperature. Similarly, the temperature of the sun is more than its surrounding space, but there is a difference. Radiation coming from the candle has a wavelength of mostly yellow color, while sun emits radiation of all wavelengths. When its radiation hit an object, it absorbs some part of radiation and reflected back. The amount of radiation that an object absorbs is called as absorption coefficient of the object, which indicate how much of the radiation is absorbed. It can be 20%, 50%, or 80%. If 100% of the radiation occurring on an object is absorbed, it is called as perfect black body. The absorption coefficient of such an object, in the ideal case, a black body can absorb the radiation of all types of wavelength. Carbon black is an object that can absorb 99% of the incident radiation. Now we come back to our black body radiation. So whenever radiation is absorbed by a black body, due to this absorption, the temperature of that body also increases. As a result, the temperature of the body increases in comparison. In the condition, the black body start emitting this radiation is called as black body radiation. Here it is to be kept in the not only by the black body, rather when any object absorbs radiations, it starts emitting radiation itself due to the temperature being increased. So any object emits radiation due to the increment in temperature, then this radiation called as black body radiation. Our sun is perfect black body because it emits radiation of all types of wavelength. Scientists made a black body in the lab that could absorb up to 99.9%. For this, a hollow sphere has taken. The inner surface of sphere is coated with carbon black. When the radiation come inside through this narrow hole, the radiation hit the wall of the sphere and get absorbed 99%. The remaining radiation reflected back. In this way, in its collision, 99% of the radiation is absorbed. The absorption of radiation, its temperature is increases. It is also known as black body, perfect black body radiation.